Hey, welcome to episode of Beers, Jack and Barbecue. I'm Craig. The man doing all the fantastic work on editing is Jack behind the camera there. Today we're doing a cook on another cook on the SNS Kettle. So we've kind of been showing different cooks, trying to get them out fast and furious. So we just want to continue to cook on that, show different meats, show different ways of doing things. And today some beautiful pork chops. So stopped at the butcher today, picked up two beautiful pork chops. Gonna do these reverse sear. They're about almost 2 inches thick. That's the way I like to do a pork chop. That way you can do the indirect side and get it to temperature and then just sear it off at the end. Sticking with all SNS grills, we went with not just for beef for the rub today. Only did one of them. My wife's gonna have some of this pork chop, so she's not into as much rubs as I like, so we only did one today. So the other one's just gonna be plain. Probably just hit it with a little touch of salt and pepper, and that's gonna be it. So we'll see you on the grill. All right, we're gonna get the pork chops on. I think this one here, I'm gonna feed the probes and then try to get these directly in the centers of these pork chops. Just so when I'm flipping them, I don't have to move them. All right, there we go. Gonna let them on. These I'm going to for a finished temperature of at least 145. So I'm gonna let these on probably till they get close to 100 before I flip them. All right, so we just passed the 100 mark. Want to check them out? Oh yeah, they're looking good. Get it heating that way. Once these get to about 135 to 140, I'm going to sear them off. So we'll bring it back then. All right, so we just hit 135 on the one and 139 on the other one, so I'm going to start searing off. So they look good. All righty. Gonna go a minute aside. All right, there's a minute. Looking good. All right, another minute. That's not good. Be back. All right, we're back. This one won't need much more, this one. Alrighty, one last time. I'm actually gonna not put the one back on here, and I'm just gonna try to get this one some more color, because the one side looks perfect. And that one looks perfect as well. So I'm gonna leave that one go where it's at. Alright, that should do it for that one. Yep, we got a little better on that. I'm going to pull these off. We're going to cut into them, show you what they look like. Well, that's a nice thick pork chop. As always, cheers. All right, so here we are at the end of the cook. Nice thick cut pork chops. Just picked them up from the butcher today. Did them reverse sear on the new SNS Kettle. Again, working fantastic. We've been doing a few different cooks on it. You'd think I could eat a lot more than what I'm actually cooking on there, but not enough time yet to do more cooks to really get the use out of that and see how everything's working on it. But so far, it's definitely an improvement over what we had before. So these here, we actually just hit the one on the left here, on my left, with not just for beef, and that's an SNS product as well. Got that with an order last year, I believe it was. So want to cut into it, show you what they look like. Nice and tender. Looks Just right, just past medium probably at this point, because just a little bit of, there's no pink on the inside. But it's nice and tender pork for sure. See what it tastes like. I didn't hit the rub with a lot of, or didn't hit the pork chop with a lot of rub, but just enough flavor on there to get the what that is, so it tastes good. Hopefully everything you like you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click to the bell, and see you next time. But hang on one second, because I didn't take a drink in the beginning. There we go, doesn't matter. So we'll see you next time.